result of an hour spent catching frogs, fish, and crabs in the open field. Here's the first loach. The crab was also the first one. I tried 2 more tilapia, but they were too smart and I couldn't catch them. Wow, mini catfish! In this scene, the 2 frogs are close together, but we catch this one first. It ran away, but luckily we still managed to catch it. Here's the second one. Look how big it is. Can you see? We caught 2 of them close together. Here's another big eel, guys. Oh no, I missed it out. But what I caught another big frog. Ha ha. There are a lot of frogs in this field. I'll catch some for you to see later. Did you see a huge one where I was shining my light? See, I caught 4 really big ones, and a few more escaped. I almost let one escape. See, in just 20 or 30 minutes, we've caught quite a few fish. Okay guys, follow me to another field to catch some fish. Wow, this one is the biggest one tonight. It runs so fast and is very smart. Can you guess what this animal is? 99% of you will answer incorrectly. Another mini frog. Oh my God, that was terrible. We were about to leave and I was hoping to catch a huge hybrid catfish, but I couldn't. What a shame. This is the result of 1 hour of searching. Anyone want to join me in catching them? Raise your hand. Please watch my next clip. I'll catch more fish and film